We've been waiting about 8 years for this car, to be very honest with you. When you see this automobile, you're going to see a new silhouette of a Lexus that we've never had in our life. Ladies and gentlemen, let me introduce you to the new 2018 LS 500.
Enjoying my time out here. It's a beautiful night, a lot of great people, and great food. It's beautiful. The growth on the buildings with expansion is beautiful. They do a nice job, Willis does.
This is a true race car that can go on the road. It is made and built to go on a racetrack. 640 horsepower.
I love it. I mean, they have so many great cars to show. I love the Lexus and the Cadillacs. I mean, it's just fun to see all the new cars. Trying to figure out what to get next.
Ladies and gentlemen, your 2019 QX50. This vehicle is one of only one that was ever built by INFINITI. There is not another one of these.
I think it's great. Weather turned out nice. A lot of nice cars in the lot. These vehicles nowadays, almost like you're in a video game. You know, you're kind of in there behind the wheel, and you got all these nice gadgets.
So right now, let's pull off the curtain for the new 2018 XC60.
I'm excited about seeing what's down the road and what's in the future. And so, yeah, it makes me think about what down the road my next vehicles may be.